Welcome to our exploration of garlic chives, an herb that not only adds a burst of flavor to your dishes, but also has some interesting characteristics you might not know about. Let's delve into the world of these aromatic herbs. Here's a fascinating tidbit. Garlic chives, also known as Allium tuberosum or Chinese chives, have been cultivated for over 4,000 years. Garlic chives are native to parts of Asia, including China and Siberia. They have a rich history in Asian cuisine, where they've been used for centuries to add a subtle garlic flavor to dishes. In traditional Chinese medicine, they're believed to have various health benefits. These herbs are similar in appearance to regular chives, but have a distinct garlic flavor. They grow in clumps, producing long, slender leaves that are dark green and have a waxy texture. In late summer or early fall, they produce small, star-shaped white flowers that are not only attractive but also edible. Garlic chives are relatively easy to grow. They thrive in well-drained soil and prefer full sun but can tolerate partial shade. They're also quite resilient and can withstand colder temperatures, making them suitable for a wide range of climates. In the garden, garlic chives can serve as excellent companion plants. Their pungent aroma helps deter pests like aphids and Japanese beetles from neighboring crops. Planting them near vegetables like carrots, tomatoes, and broccoli can be beneficial for your garden's overall health. Garlic chives are a versatile herb in the kitchen. Their mild garlic flavor makes them a fantastic addition to salads, soups, stir-fries, and omelets. You can use both the leaves and the flowers to add a delightful aroma and taste to your dishes. Beyond culinary uses, they are also believed to have some medicinal properties, such as promoting digestion and reducing inflammation. Garlic chives, with their long history, unique flavor, and culinary versatility, are a must-have in any herb garden. Whether you're a seasoned chef looking to enhance your dishes or a beginner gardener seeking a low-maintenance herb to grow, garlic chives have much to offer. Stay tuned for more plant profiles and gardening tips on our channel. Happy gardening and cooking!